Question 10. Jill is 18 this year. She and I went to a restaurant for lunch to celebrate her birthday. None of that is really that important. The bill for lunch for the two of us came to £25.50. Jill paid the bill by credit card and I left a £2.50 tip in cash. We agreed to split the total cost equally. How much did I owe Jill? So the key bits of information here, £25.50, a tip of £2.50. You're splitting it equally, and then how much more did I owe? So total bill, but actually the total paid. And then the tip. So this is the amount that when you've added the tip to the bill, this is the amount that was paid out altogether. Half of that was here. And then because I have already paid £2.50, we take away £2.50 from £14 to make £11.50. And therefore the answer is B.